Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to find contacts on Instagram easily. So first, you just have to launch your Instagram application and then click your profile at the bottom right corner. Now, once you're here, you have to go to the upper right corner and click the three lines. Under settings and privacy, you will see this account center. So you have to click this one and scroll down till you see this your information and permissions. Tap this. And what you're going to do here is to scroll down again till you see this upload contacts. And what you're going to do next is to tap this one and toggle on this connect contacts. You will see the instruction below, such as they will sync and securely store your contacts to help you connect with people you know on Instagram. So once you're okay with this, you just have to toggle this one on and you have to allow Instagram to access your contacts. Click allow. Once you allow this, you have to go back to your Instagram. Now tap either followers or following. Once you tap this one, then you will see that sync contact. You can also toggle that one on or scroll down till you see suggested for you. These people are mostly on your contact list. It could be from your phone, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, or other social media accounts. They will appear automatically since you sync your contacts on your Instagram. And that's how easy it is to find phone contacts on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.